Myntri katranat puli puthi ka jala urakam is sangma hakasingi baar ulaong baka inline permit ILP lada pentre kam ha Meghalaya kam de satya ban kata ya ka jingwan jong ki nongsang kai perthei tourist syaka ni ka jala kalong ka babiang bar ka bahashibun lada la ban pentre kam ya ka ILP khnang bangin la ban tela kam khamha ya ka rung kami jong ki briu ki banabar Henry la ka de ka ILP ne ki no gila jingada kim de satya ban khanglad ya ka jingwan jong ki nongsang kai bakin wan syaka ni ka jala namar baki tourist kilongkum kalat kamai kaji na ka benta ka jala ong urakam habak ren shakilat thai kubor da ka bapen pau baka kam jungo kai perthei ka de ka bor jong ka yo ka kot jong ka jala Meghalaya Myntri ulaong namar kata kakam jungo kai ka deban kiu bar ka deban penmentoi ki nongsong snong ki bayo kamai na kani kumta tungin ya trilang knang baka kam jungo kai perthei jongi kan kiu sha prang haba pen pau ka jingsngu khia halur ka mat ka baya dei bat ki kam wan buhai snong bean urakam ulaong baka jala ka don kam ya ka ILP ban tela kam ya ka jingwan rung kerthap ki briu ki banabar bar ka jingwan buhai snong bean da ki briu ki bana shabar ka jala Katba ka Meghalaya kadang ab ya ka jingman jor jong ka sorkar pedeng na ka benta ka ILP Myntri ulaong baka jala kala don lupa ya kila jingada kum ka 6th schedule Land Transfer Act bat ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA 2016 ban weng ya ka jing ka bayade baka jingwan buhay nong bean dai ki briu ki banabar Gidei ki balapun ko bor gidon ya ki dor barsnong idon ye ki nokma haman lai ki shnong bat ngila pen khrep ha ban lap la ki don ne em ki bawan shong wan sa be an Henry kane kan tre kam renti talada baro ki shim ya ka jingkit khli lada ki dor bar shnong lada man lai ki nokma kin bishar bnia bat ban lap dna ki nongwan buhai shnong be an ki bawan namar ki jaka ki de ki jongi ki jaka ki de jong ki nong shong shnong kumta kammut bangila ban thiet khndo bat ban shong ban sa hangni Gidon ye ki district council but don kam ru e ki NOC na ki district council kom ta ngam tharai bakalong ka basuk e ki briu ki banabar bakin shuwan bat shong shnong ha Meghalaya ula banram
For me, ILP as a, there are two things you have to understand. So whether we introduce ILP or not, the coming of the tourism will not be stopped because they are just they are coming as a tourists. They are here to promote the tourism. We are here to promote the tourism. So ILP is not all about the tourism. It's all about the regulating the people coming in. Yes, so the main intent of the ILP is to stop the illegal immigration for settling, right? So we have many look across the state, right? You see many illegal immigrants in the state without any record. Government doesn't have. But for me, right? Yes, ILP is only for regulating of the illegal incoming to the state. However, we have the in place mechanism, 6th schedule, the Land Transfer Act, the other MRSSA, right? We are empowered. Whether empowered, we have the Dorba Snow, we have the Nokma, every locality, we are empowered, we are well equipped to detect whether there is any illegal settler or not. But only this will work systematically only when everybody take the responsibility. If every Dorba Snow, if every Nokma scrutinize, detect any illegal immigrant, who will come there? Because the land belongs to us. Land belongs to the community. So it doesn't mean that we can buy land and settle here. No, in Meghalaya doesn't allow. Many procedures have to be followed. District council, NOC from the Nokma, NOC from district council, district administration, all things will be required. So I think it's not easy in the Meghalaya directly to come and just settle like this. But however, in terms of level, in terms of there are many illegal immigrant is coming in without the proper information to the government. So yes, well and good if ILP could be introduced, because we can regulate better. However, be it ILP or any other system should not stop like a tourism, which is like a bread and butter to the state. We don't have any industry in the state. Therefore, tourism is the strength for our economy. Therefore, we should. I wish that tourism should grow proper, and we should benefit. Our people are getting livelihood out of this. So let's work out better way so that our tourism grow better in a better system.